Hi, Jay from Neat here, just with some Google Meet news. So this is a bar generation 2. We also have the Bar Pro as well, and they are certified to run Google Meet on Android Neat devices. But the difference is this is a bar and a pad. There's no sort of interactivity to the screen or anything like that. So we've been working very closely with Google Engineering to enable the ability to have Google Meet on Touch enabled for our Neat boards. That includes the Neat Board 32, the Neat Board 50, and the Neat Board Pro. So here I've got a Neat Board Pro on one of our adaptive stands, very nice here, and you'll see that this interface is brand new. So we can start meetings, join a meeting, start whiteboard, call a phone. Let's click Start a Whiteboard, and because as an organization in my Google Workplace I've enabled Figma, LucidSpark and Miro use, I can click one of these whiteboards. So let's press Miro, and you'll see here I can either send my existing Miro board with a code, or I can create a board. So if I just create a board, and I'm going to do some very crude drawing, normally I'd have a nice flow chart and everything set up in Miro here, but I'm going to do some very important messaging. But then I want to share that within a call. That's fine. I can press Neat. I can start a new meeting or join a meeting ID within Google Meet, and you'll see there that it's going to spin up that board, and it's going to have it joined in within the call as well. So I'm going to add more people, it's saying there, or it's just going to bring up the Miro board that I've been working on, and that's all active within the call. And then even at the end, so I can share that Miro board on, or basically I can end that activity, so the Miro section, but it will keep that call open, as it were. Don't forget, with Neat, we can still do all of that lovely framing, tracking and things like that as well. So that's all working well. Now, I'm going to hang up out of that call, and I've got my Google Meet board again. I'm just going to start a new meeting altogether. And this is how this works as well. So now we've got full touch interactivity with the board. I can add more other people. I'm just going to use selfie for now, and let's use my Neat framing to do individual framing there. But I now want to start doing whiteboarding from within that call already. So if I press this little button on the right hand side that's called Meeting Tools, okay, you can see there that within the add-on section I've got Figma, Lucid and Miro installed, and other applications. So in this case now I'm going to press LucidSpark. It's even going to give me the option of creating a new board or opening an existing board. Again, just with video very quickly, I'm going to create a new board, and that's going to start spinning up and say, do you want to start with LucidSpark? That's absolutely fine. So this is all in the meeting that I've started up, and you can see here now my whiteboard is set. This is just like when I did that ad hoc whiteboard from the beginning, and that basically means it's going to spin up this LucidSpark board, depending on how quick my Wi-Fi is today, and then I'm going to pick my pen and again write some very important information as well. And then once I've done that, I could even end that activity within that call, and it'll continue doing a normal Google Meet call. So this is available very, very soon, but you guys can all help us out. So we're just starting the beta process of this, so we can do some certification to get this available on our devices as quick as possible. So that means from today, just get in touch with us at Neat, and we can enable your Pulse tenant for any of your existing boards that you've got. Probably haven't got a board 32 yet because they're just coming out, but the board 50 or the board Pro, we can get it set up so you can run this application on your device or devices and play with it as much as you can. Then please give us your feedback. That all helps with the certification process because we want to get this done straight away. And that means then we'll be available on all of our bars and all of our boards as well. So thanks very much, and speak to you soon.